kick word to the nines off the planet.
There's no way to survive in the city, it's a shame. Niggas stop for my hollow point, roll it to the brain. Will I survive or will I die is what I wonder. Puffing on cheeks and getting drunk to keep them going under. Getting lost in the madness, blood and getting tipsy. Got my point out the window screaming, Lord, come and get me. Am I sick or am I just another victim? I'm loading my tip, I'm watching every bullet spit when I get my niggas fired from automatic brain fire. It's time to expire, nobody cry. Every man gotta cry. When they bury me in sheep. Rest in peace, all our homies got to have them before me. Post some liquor on the curb for them niggas that's caught. Had them up before they knew it, but he did go to court. Goddamn. And one day we'll all be together. Until then I'm ready for whatever.
I've only one to give. It is the same one I'd give were we not standing on the brim of a battlefield. It is the same one I'd give were we to meet by chance.
Well, don't blame me, blame the flame, the flickers. When niggas getting rich at home.
Man, I feel good, dog, I feel good. Woke up a little richer, Russell with a little wood.
Make it yours! Make it England!
Well, don't blame me, blame the flame, the flickers. When niggas getting rich at home.
Yeah.